Today we are going to make a clay with the help of the flour and the moisturizer. You can take any moisturizer of your choice. First of all, we are going to take a bowl. In that we have to pour some flour and in that some moisturizer. Now we are going to stir it. You can stir it with the help of your hands too. Some more moisturizer. I'm stirring it with my hands. Now you can take it out. We have got a smooth dough, soft dough, and now you can add some paints in it, or if you have food colorings you can add that also. Some of that will add in it.